Hey guys, today I will show you how to make tranq bombs in Monster Hunter World. To craft tranq bombs, you need two materials, sleep herb and parashroom. Sleep herbs are found in forest areas, and parashrooms usually grow in darker or damp zones like caves. Once you have both materials, open your menu, go to the crafting list, and craft the tranq bomb. Tranq bombs are used to capture monsters. First, weaken the monster. Then place a trap and throw two tranq bombs while the monster is trapped or asleep. And that's how to make tranq bombs in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.